One of the hardest lessons for the human heart is patience, especially when life does not move according to our plans. We make dua, we wait, we hope, and sometimes nothing seems to change. In those moments, we must remind ourselves of a powerful truth. Allah's timing is always perfect, even when we do not understand it. Allah tells us in the Quran that He is Al-Hakeem, the most wise. Wisdom means that nothing happens randomly. Every delay, every hardship, and every unanswered dua has a purpose, even if that purpose is hidden from us right now. We often ask, why is this taking so long? But a better question is, what is Allah teaching me through this waiting? Sometimes Allah delays a blessing to protect us. Sometimes He delays it to prepare us. And sometimes He replaces it with something far better than what we asked for. Think about Prophet Musa alayhi salam. He left Egypt in fear, unsure of his future. Years later, Allah returned him to the same land, not as a fugitive, but as a prophet, speaking to Pharaoh with authority. What seemed like a setback was actually part of Allah's plan. And look at Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. He was betrayed, imprisoned, and forgotten. Yet, at the exact moment Allah chose, he was raised from a prison cell to the palace. Not early, not late, exactly on time. Divine timing teaches us tawakkul, true reliance on Allah. Tawakkul does not mean we stop trying. It means we do our part, make dua, and trust Allah with the outcome. When something does not happen when we want it to, it doesn't mean Allah has ignored us. It means Allah has heard us and chosen what is best. Remember this: what is meant for you will never miss you, and what misses you was never meant for you. Allah's plan is not rushed by our impatience, nor delayed by our fear. So if you're waiting right now, waiting for healing, answers, success, or relief, do not lose hope. Keep making dua. Keep doing good. Keep trusting Allah. Because when Allah gives, He gives at the perfect time. And that is the beauty of divine timing. So as you leave this reminder today, carry this in your heart. If Allah has delayed something, it is not a denial, it is divine care. What is written for you is already on its way, at the time Allah knows is best. Be patient with the process, be sincere in your dua, and be at peace with Allah's plan. Because when the moment arrives, you will realize the wait was never wasted. May Allah grant us patience, trust in His decree, and contentment with His timing. Ameen.